Thank you, Clint. Well, it is Smart Money time on your Monday, and today's topic is the stock market.
Associate Professor of Finance at John A. Logan College, David England, joins us this morning for some insight. And David, when you were here last time, you talked about some weakness in the market. So what ended up happening where that's concerned?
Yes, that was during Memorial Day. That next Tuesday, it dropped like a rock. The market fell about 6.4% and then did recover in the middle of the month. Part of that was due to many things. We had a longer-term trend line resistance. That's some of our technical analysis information there. And then there was time for profit taking. Just like we're going to have some profit taking this morning. The market's going to be down pretty healthy. But a lot of times when we have a parabolic run like we've had the last 2 weeks, we have to go back many years to see a run like that's been happening. So the big money doesn't sit around waiting where it's going to be 10 years from now. They'll take their profits and run and then wait for another opening.
Okay.
Where does the market go from here now?
Well, Kevin, that's a great question. Today we start earnings season run. Alcoa opens after the bell. Now next week we have more earnings. At this point in time, I see some profit taking for a few days, and then we will have a summer rally at some point in time. What I'm really looking at is during the fall, August and September, I see it to be very shaky. Now at that point in time, we should have this budget situation and this debt limit cap taken care of. We have to do it one way or the other. So at this point in time, we are going to have some shakiness this August and fall. But remember, when that goes down, that makes excellent time for buying with certain things, not just everything. We just can't throw money at the market.
So given that, what advice do our viewers need to keep in mind right now?
One of the things, when it's hot like it is, this is the time to really get educated. Anybody that's in the market needs to study options. Doesn't mean they need to trade them, but there are many things that we can learn with options, like calls and puts. An example, if we wanted to buy Apple, we don't have to pay $300 for it. We could buy an option that would pay just a fraction of that, and we could control the price of that so that we could make money if it goes up or if it goes down.
Interesting.
And another thing to look at, Kevin, is we may have another shot here at buying oil.
Okay.
Oil has jumped up to about $97, $98. It will be down today. So anytime that we could buy it under $100, especially under 94 or 93, I see that as a heck of an opportunity, especially in the years to come.
What about precious metals? You've talked about that quite a bit in the past.
Well, silver and gold are something to take a look at. I made a call about 2 weeks ago that I think that, in my opinion, people should have at least 20% of their portfolio in precious metals, and I prefer the actual physical, the bullion or the coins, so that there's going to be a time in our lifetime that's going to really come in handy.
Cool.
And we know you do have a couple of seminars coming up, is that right?
Yes, Monday I have a seminar, this upcoming Monday, on options and also futures.
Okay.
And then in a couple weeks I have the seminar that I've really been looking forward to. Many of my trading strategies that I've used in the last 20 years. I'm going to put those on the table so that people can learn them, including the very popular earnings run strategy, and I'll be giving that in Las Vegas either in the fall or the spring.
That's exciting. And as you can see on your screen there, the cost is $79, and you can reserve your seat by calling 618-985-2828, extension 8249 for the Continuing Education Department. So David England, we always appreciate having you on.
Well, thanks for the opportunity.
Thanks very much.